Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Spigen tempered glass for Galaxy M30S. This tempered glass is slightly different as compared to the last video you have seen, the Galaxy A51. So we don't get any kind of easy install for this one. We have to do manually. As you can see, it is mentioned M30S, M30. So we will have to do very carefully and do hold breath, my friends. I will show you how to do it in very simple steps. So in the package we get the tempered glass itself, as you can see here. Keep this aside. We get some cleaning wipe and one squeezy to squeeze out any air inside the bubbles or something, and we also get an installation user manual, how to install and everything. You can check, it is mentioned step by step how to do it. Okay, we will keep this aside. In the meantime, I'll bring the phone here. Do keep in mind, my friends, don't open this out. If you take this out, you will have dust inside here. Once you have dust inside here, it is very easy to get the dust under the display, in between the tempered glass and the display. So always keep it inside. Do clean the whole space. Wash your hands before doing this. So why wait, my friends? Let's start. I have got the M30S here. We will open what we get inside here. And if you do it just before using the phone and before the first uses and everything, then it would be very good installation, you know, because there won't be any scratches on the phone's display, or there won't be any oil on the phone. So it will be very easy in that case. Yes, we have also got the dust removal sticker here. So basically we need the squeezy here, the cleaning wipe. First we will wipe it up. Do remember to switch off all the fans, AC, if you are in a room which is having fan or AC on, because if it is on, the air will push the dust under the display and the tempered glass. So basically just you need a quick wipe here. So it is really clean, as you can see here. There is no dust particles upon here. So as you can see, there is no dust particles here. I'll keep this inside here for reuses if any dust particles comes off here. For perfect installation, before putting the glass on top of it, use this sticker, dust removal sticker, and go on top of it like this. Don't throw it away. It will be very useful to use it again if you find any small particle of dust on the display before putting the tempered glass. Always recheck it again and again before installing the tempered glass, because once you have installed it, you have to again remove it and do it. So most of the time if you do that, it is easy to do it, but most of the times what happens, if you clean one side, the other side will get dusty. So now we will open this. Be very gentle and very careful. See, it is here. We get two recesses here to align it, and while aligning it, do align the camera and this bottom portion. Okay. So as you can see here now, I have cleaned the display very nicely, Now what we have to do is open the tempered glass protective cover facing down. Be very careful and gentle. So as you can see, the tempered glass is open now. Now we have to align this very carefully. Do keep in mind that there shouldn't be any dust particles on the display. So we will use this recesses and put it on top of the phone. Okay. First of all, what I will do, I will align the camera here, and very carefully I will check out the bottom portion here. It's better if you switch on the phone, because the camera gets aligned perfectly, but the bottom one is very tricky. So what you need to do is switch on the phone and check it out. If it is okay, you can leave it. Just a minute, let me skip this part. So as you can see here, it is perfectly aligned on this side. So now I will gradually drop the tempered glass on the display. And always remember, my friends, all the sides should have equal distance from the border of the phone. So now I will gradually drop it. After you drop it, just press here and give it a slide. It's really easy and simple. As you can see, it is automatically getting sticked to the display. Now what you have to do, some of the particles are here, like small air bubbles or something like that. So what you need to do, use this squeezy and push it out. Be very gentle and push it out. So it takes a bit time to do this, okay? Don't lose patience. So after the perfectly installation, you just remove the sticker out, and as you can see, it is installed perfectly. The touch works really fine. There is no difference. So if you feel any difference, you can go ahead in settings, and here you can go in the display. You can increase the touch sensitivity and it will work fine. As you can see here, everything is fine. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video for Samsung Galaxy M30S tempered glass by Spigen. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.